Hello my viewers, mugamba mutya mikwano gyange mwenna abampuliriza. How are you doing wherever you are? Kansubire muli bulungi mikwano, bankuba kyeyo. Mugamba ki? Ekizibu kigamba kita mikwano. Naffe tuli wano e Dubai. Twebaza Mukama nti twazzeemu okukola nate. Twebaza Mukama that we are out of the lockdown. Era nzize wano, I'm going to take you to Mall of the Emirates, Imbalage. Leero how excited abantu bwe bali. Nakyo ekigenda maaso Mall of the Emirates mbajjaawo mbatwaleko eddeira abamanyi eddeira Banias abasuubuzi abasinga abava e Uganda abava e Tanzania abava e Congo abavaawa abajja okusuubula abasuubula amagomesi abasuubula ebintu ebyenjawulo ewe gye bajja ebintu yeewali kwegamba katale k'abasuubuzi so ngenda batwalako ku Mall of the Emirates imbalage mu moolo kyekiriwo distance spacing social distancing eri etya emirimu gitambula gitya. Oh my god, abantu gye bali bambadde masks bambadde gloves ne social distancing weeri buli omu kwegamba ali mu kwekuuma. Then neddeira people are so excited at night. Police was everywhere. Naye abantu babadde basanyufu nnyo nga they are all moving out. I mean, people are so happy. So banaye twebaza Mukama naye ate tulina okwongera okwekuuma. Yes, don't forget to sanitize. Don't forget to wash your hands. Don't forget okwambala mask ne gloves. Bannange temugamba nti corona aweddewo, musigale nga you are sanitizing buli lw'ofuluma metro, buli lw'ofuluma basi, buli lw'ofuluma toilet, buli lw'okwata ewantu wonna sanitize. Ate avoid okwekwatakwatako kuba oba otambudde everywhere. So bannange, go with me, don't go away. Yeah, I think you can see this is Mall of the Emirates, one of the biggest malls in Dubai. You can see the social distancing. Buli omu bawadde space abantu. People are putting on gloves and masks. People are receiving money from Western Union. People are banking. People are withdrawing. People are doing shoppings. And some shops are already open and the others are not yet open. But I think you can see people are trying their best to avoid the spread of COVID-19. Yeah, however much they are doing shopping, withdrawing money, sending it to their families. Others are banking. And this is called Banias Deila. Ngai mujimanyi, that is one of the busiest suburbs where most Africans stay. Yeah, most Ugandans, Nigerians, Congolese. Yeah, I think you can see at the metro station, it's night, people are moving, people are so excited. The taxis, you can see them. Zizo zitambula, taxis are moving, but also the traffic men, the police, Ngaimulaba police is everywhere to control people and to keep peace. Yes. Yeah, this is Banias, like where most trading takes place. Those who do wholesale business, those coming from Congo, Nigeria, Uganda, to buy things like clothes, things in wholesale. Yeah, this is where that transaction takes place. It's called Deira in Dubai, Deira Banias. Yes, I think you can see the police everywhere. Security is so tight. They are trying to keep peace. You can see the police cars. Yeah, the people are moving. They are going to buy what to eat. Yeah, taxis muzilaba. Everything is in order. Tujagenda maso mpola mpola. You can see buses are moving. Everything is in order. People are moving. The police cars everywhere. Yes, eno Deira abasuubuzi gye batera okuddukanya businesses zaabwe, abasuubuzi abagula amagomesi, ngoye, ebyo ebibeera mu wholesale ebingi ebyo abasuubuzi. Yeah, this is the place omutera obeera Bannayuganda abangi, Banigeria baki. Businesses zatandise dda wadde zikyali a bit slow. Yeah, businesses are still a bit slow because we are just getting out of the lockdown. But yes, it's going to be going on slowly by slowly until it gets in order. This is Mukulike mikwano. Hope you have enjoyed. Kansubire bannaye munyumiddwa. Yes, Dubai awo eri essaawa zino. Uganda kyekiri eyo, Oman, Jordan, Qatar, muli kuki mikwano Saudi Arabia ewamira okudawuni ewedde oba ekyagenda maaso ffe bwetyo bwe tubadde mikwano. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel down below mikwano. It's free of charge, so totya kusubscribinga. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell down below, even the notification bell to notify you whenever I upload my new video mikwano. And give us a thumbs up mikwano, and share and comment. I love you so much. Stay safe. May God bless you and protect you. I love you. Bye bye.